You won't see this coming. 6 pizzas in just 10 minutes.
Hello, wanna treat yourselves? Of course you do. 6 pizzas in just 10 minutes. You heard that right. A super easy trick that gets you out of trouble, especially if you have leftover bread.
The first thing is to prepare a special sauce for pizzas. I make a homemade one that's delicious just by mixing a cup of tomato sauce with another cup of crushed tomato. Here I add a bit of salt to balance out the sweetness of the tomato sauce. And a splash of good quality oil, a bit of basil, and a bit of oregano. I mix all of this very well and get a sauce that, once you try it, you'll want to use it for everything. For pasta, for pizza, or for sandwiches. Now take some bread. Leftover bread from the day before works even better. I'm going to use 3 pieces of bread, which I cut in half to turn them into 6 pieces, pizzas, toasts, or slices. The thing is, I soak them with this magic sauce and spread it a little bit. If I leave it like this, soaked for 4 or 5 minutes, it's even better because the bread absorbs it a bit and tastes even better. Let's move on to assembling. I'm going to make 3 different kinds. I'm going to put mozzarella on 2 of them, right in the middle, nice and finely shredded. And on one, I add a bit of tuna and a bit of black olive. All right, let's place them. The classic tuna and olive pizza, unbeatable. There we have it. Then I'm going to make another one with the same mozzarella cheese, but this time with pepperoni. Another classic that never fails. And of course, one with 3 cheeses. Use the 3 cheeses you like the most or have on hand. I like to put a cheese that melts well on the bottom, mozzarella on top, and a strong grated cheese to finish it off. 3 cheeses and lots of flavor. Now into the oven or the air fryer. At 200 degrees in the air fryer, about 6 minutes. In the oven, about 10. Until you see the cheese is nicely browned. Done. Let's go for it. Just put it in and wait. After 6 minutes, look how good it looks. And in go my other 3 mini pizzas.
Look at the scene now. 6 pizzas with 3 different flavors that we made in no time, and on top of that, right? You can tell from the smell they're going to be delicious. I can't wait any longer, so I'm going to dig in. How do you... Homemade, really homemade and full of flavor. We don't have any more pizza dough? Well, use bread. For many people, they're even tastier. You'll have to tell me how much you like them, try them, and tell me about the universal question too. Do you dare to try pizza with pineapple? There are people who hate it, there are people who love it, there are people who call it Hawaiian. I hope you'll tell me in the comments if you like it, if you don't care, or if you think it's an abomination. And also tell me where you're watching the video from, so we can travel the world through delicious ideas. If you can think of any recipe idea that's going viral and you love it, let me know and I'll look it up. Maybe I'll make it for you one day.